Welcome. In this session, we are going to compute exponential in RStudio. On Wikipedia, we have a very good explanation of exponential function which defines that whenever a quantity grows or decays at a rate proportional to its current value, it is known as exponential function. The exponential function can be used to compute continuous compounded interest. In today's application, we are going to design a loan calculator application which will let us know the loan amount which we have to pay and the per month EMI, and we are going to compute that with our R program. Let me just explain you the quick example which we want to do. Let's say I would like to purchase an Audi car which costs around 35 lakhs. I want to compute my rate of, I would like to get my installments which I need to pay to the bank in order to purchase this car which worth rupees 35 lakhs. Let's get started with the program. Before proceeding to the program, I would like to make you understand the equation using which we can compute continuous compound interest, and the equation states P is equal to C exponential of RT, and which specifies P is the future value which we have to pay, C will be the initial loan amount which we are going to take, an exponential of RT wherein R stands for interest rate and T stands for the number of years amount is invested. Let's get started. Now let's say I have to take a loan amount of 35 lakhs from a bank. Once I have taken the loan amount, I would like to take this loan, let's say for 5 years. The rate of interest they charged is 10% on the vehicle. So now what next we have to do is, let's say I would like to compute the total amount which I have to pay back to bank once my loan amount has been done, and I would like to compute my per month installments as well. In order to do that, we are going to make use of exponential functions which are available in RStudio. We can make use of exp function and we can compute exponentials. To do that, I would like to compute my total amount, and this total amount is a multiplication of loan amount. Loan amount will be multiplied with the exponential of the total interest which has to be charged, let's say the rate of interest, multiplied by the year for which we are taking the loan. So once we execute that, we can see that once we print the total value, so we have to pay around 57,70,524 in 5 years to bank in order to own an Audi car. In order to do that, now what we have to do is we want to compute the per month installment which we need to pay. So for 5 years, since in RStudio we can simply compute the mathematical operations as well. So for every month multiplied with 5 years, we have around 60 months, and we are going to pay 0524 divided by 60, and this will be the actual amount which we will be paying every month to the bank. So it's like 96,175 rupees has to be paid per month to bank in order to own an Audi car at an interest rate of 10% for 5 years. So actually this is too costly, and now you can see that using these mathematical functions we can create simple applications in RStudio, and we can generate statistical graphs as well. So we are going to proceed to that in upcoming sessions. Thank you for watching.